Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 6.14 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website and download. It is tails.net. Enter, click on install Tails. Then see here the latest version is Tails 6.14. Scroll down, click on build a Tails DVD. Then download TailsOS 6.14.1 ISO image. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded TailsOS 6.14 ISO. Then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. Click on VirtualBox. Then click on New or Machine and select New. Either is fine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the ISO image. Select other. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Click on open. See, once you selected, type change it to Linux, subtype to Debian and version as 64-bit. Then select this skip unattended installation. Then go to hardware. Here memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am going to give it 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores 2. Then hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or click on settings, or select it on machine and select settings. All three options are same to edit the settings. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on start, or right click and start, then normal start. Both options are same. Click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.14.1. Hit enter. Now here we have to set the language, keyboard layout or format. I am okay with all the settings like language. Okay, if you want to change, just click on it. Then you will get the search box like this. Even keyboard also same. If you have to just click on it. I am okay with these three. Then create persistent storage. If you want to create persistent storage, you have to set on this one by just clicking on this one. Okay. Then additional settings. Click on this plus button. Administration password. Provide the password for the administration. Then click on add. In the same way, if you want add offline mode, see by default it is enabling networking. Unsafe browser enabled, network connection also obsolete. Okay, I am not going to change others, so I want to add the administration account. Okay, so click on cancel. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on start Tails. If you want to connect tar automatically, just select this radio button, then click on connect to tar. See, now it is connecting to tar. Now open terminal, click on activities. Then see here we have the terminal. Click on it. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails and its version is 6.14 and its ID is like Debian. That's why at the time of installation we have select type as Debian. Go to quit. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password that we have set for the administration and hit enter. Click on tar browser, start tar browser. See, you got the tar browser. Okay. See, this is just asking confirmation, type and hit enter. This will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 6.14 on VirtualBox. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.